I'm Michelle and this is Shredded Figure. I went from a complete beginner with zero background in fitness to standing on stage as an IFBB pro figure athlete and winning multiple titles. This channel is for people who want real results, raw training, real transformations. No filters, no fluff, just honest work and proven methods. Whether you're just starting out, chasing your pro card, or transforming your lifestyle, I'll show you how to sculpt strength from the inside out. This is more than just fitness. This is Shredded Figure. Subscribe and start building your strongest self. I'm Michelle and